guess that they've shut down for the winter. And the old tractor just pulls me through. Just someone's flying his kite.
Ropeway does not work today.
Oh wow, look at the parking spot here, hey? Ham and cheese burrito and a bit of salad.
Over here.
Okay, okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Komagane, routine hotel where we stayed overnight. Lovely dinner last night with Satoh-san. We had called curry rice. We had nice and easy, close to the front door. Today we headed out, day 3, last day. We're going to go visit a lovely temple. Close by here that Satoh-san is like, Arch, I want to take you there. I'm like, I'm all in for it. Not sure if you can see the beautiful mountains there with the snow caps on. Absolutely gorgeous. So, come along with us today. Don't know how long it's going to be, how much traffic we're going to have. Come and enjoy on this ride. It's been amazing. So, it's just very cold this morning. Anyhow, we'll get all suited up, geared up, and I'll update you on the road. Right, back on the road again, and we are headed, as I mentioned, to the temple. After that, I've asked Satoh-san if he could just pop by a little car wash, because I need to clean the motorbike. Not so much on the top here, just the undercarriage is quite filthy from a couple of weeks ago, so I just want to give it a bit of a rinse, because when I get back into Tokyo, guys, it's difficult for me. I've got to go way out to Tokyo Bay, and I've got to go to something that's called Autobucks. My God, are you serious? Out to Autobucks and to wash it down there. So yeah, that's nice to do it here. A couple bucks cheaper here as well. I think I pay like $8 to give it a bit of a rinse and a wash. In Tokyo, it only costs like $5 here. Seriously. What a sight to wake up to, eh? I see a traffic jam there. I'm not sure if it's relevant to us, anyhow. Lovely to see a lot of motorbike riders this morning at the hotel as well. I do think the Routine Hotel is a preferred hotel for motorbike riders. They're quite easygoing with motorbike riders. And, you know, from that perspective, I think that's the reason why we choose. And then, you know, this one wasn't, but typically the Routine Hotel, it's a little bit outside of the city, and therefore you've got larger parking spaces and all that. You've got to be just a little bit careful with the ones where it says Eki Mai, which means in front of the station or close to the station. But apart from that, yeah, great buffet again this morning. I'm just in awe of these mountains, guys. You know, these the Japan Alps. This is called the Chuo Alps. Komagatake. Oh, is that the temple already? Oh wow, that must be it already. Wow. That is it. Yep. Gorgeous. Oh my God, Satoh-san.
Yes. So good.
That's so impressive.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
this time no people.
No people, yeah. Nice and early.
Maybe after the noon,
Yep.
so crowded.
Yeah, so Satoh-san basically recommended we come here nice and early. So it's just gone after 8 o'clock in the morning. There's virtually no one here. You come an hour from now, it's probably going to be packed. Beautiful. This temple has some stories about dogs?
About dogs.
Yeah, because I saw a dog image down there. Okay. So,
Hayataro. The name of dog is Hayataro.
okay. Hayataro. Yep.
Ohaka.
Yep, so it's the grave resting place of the dogs. This is. The color as well. The color is amazing.
This color.
Yeah.
Maybe today is the last day for watching the red or yellow color.
Yep. This is the statue of Hayataro. The famous dog. Very smart dog. This Kozenji is famous for Hayataro and Moss Garden.
Yeah.
Well, that was awesome. Sucking up a bit of culture early in the morning before we headed back into the big city. My God. Grateful that Satoh-san took me here. He visited about a month ago or so in this area, and therefore when we planned this entire route, that he mentions like, Arch, I want to take you to this temple. Wow, that was impressive. And a good call to go early in the morning as well, because yeah, it wasn't busy. It started getting busy as we were leaving, as is typical. Your motorbike, and your motorbike will take care of you. Gave the old Motorbike a good scrub. That feels always much better, eh? And we're now headed a little bit in the mountains, bit of sightseeing. Just a bit of a course through the mountains a little bit, and then we're going to be heading off on the motorway, headed home. Two of us want to try and avoid the traffic jam that you typically get on the Chuo Expressway. That's typically always quite a challenge. Sometimes they can be like 20 to 30 kilometers long. I mean, I don't mind lane splitting, but if we can avoid it, it's a much more pleasant ride, I think you would agree, to make our way home. That's nice, that sun on me back. It was quite chilly this morning. A couple of people have told me as well, this is the last kind of week that you'll see the colours, you know, the greens and the browns and the yellows. That'll be pretty much done next weekend, so what a great weekend and a great choice. We're quite fortunate and we chose this weekend. Right, just had a quick stop here because we're about to get on the highway and start heading home, guys. Lovely season, lovely time to be in this region. Seeing photos of all my fellow motorbike friends who are posting on social media, all up in this area, all up in these mountains. So we're heading now to Lake Suwa. We're going to go around Lake Suwa and get on the motorway there. Still 225 kilometers to get home. A decent ride to get home. was a lovely road, that. Very relaxing.
stop is Yatsugatake parking area.
I think I know, Yatsugate. Okay. Right, everyone, we're about to get on the motorway, start heading home. Thanks everyone for tuning into this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.